Coinlist system has changed, and there's a new presale happening. Let's dive into the details together. Coinlist has announced the new presale for Bondex. Bondex boasts a mobile application with over 4 million downloads. It's a project in the realms of Web3, crypto, blockchain, NFTs, metadata, and gaming, offering opportunities. By downloading the application, you can create a profile to enter the business world, add your skills to the system for job opportunities, provide advice to companies, and earn rewards. Bondex encourages participation with tokenized rewards for career development, networking, skill enhancement, and guidance using Web3 paradigms. Before delving into Bondex's presale details, let's recall Coinlist's system change. Now, we won't have to wait in line to purchase tokens. Coinlist's new system is different. From now on, we'll lock in the desired amount within specified dates. If we win, we'll receive the tokens. If not, our money will be refunded. Hence, we need to have funds in our account during registration. The locking period for funds for Bondex's presale will be open until March 28th. We can lock funds until that time. If we don't win, our money will be refunded. Bondex will be sold at 8 cents per token. 25% will be delivered after 75 days, and the remaining 75% will be distributed over 12 months. The token will be listed around June 11th. 5% of the total supply will be sold on Coinlist. We can make a minimum purchase of $50 and a maximum of $500. The cryptocurrencies we can use are USDT and USDC. I use USDT. You can check other details too. To participate in the presale, you need to click the Participate Now button. Then proceed by clicking the Log In with Coinlist button. Accept and confirm this step. Press the Continue button. At this stage, you need to verify your wallet. Using my MetaMask account, I'll make a signature transaction. After the signature, it will redirect me to this screen. This screen is the final step. Here, you see the assets in my Coinlist wallet. I only have $5 in my Coinlist wallet, but I need to have a minimum of $50 USDT for the presale. By using the deposit option, I can transfer funds to my Coinlist account. Once I have enough funds in my wallet, all I need to do is enter the amount and confirm it. After this stage, I'll be participating in the presale. That's all. I hope this new system brings us luck. It's quite nice not having to keep track of presale hours on Coinlist anymore. If you're planning to transfer funds to Coinlist, it's better not to leave it until the last day. Whether to invest or not is your decision. Best of luck to everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. See you in the next video.